In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a collection image on Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store's activity, like recent orders and sales. From here, we'll navigate to the place where collections are managed. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Products. This is where all of your store's items, collections, and related settings live. Once you're on the products page, you'll see a few different options at the top. Next, click on Collections. This will open a list of all the collections you've created for your store, such as sale, new arrivals, or any custom categories you've set up. These collections group products together, and each one can have its own featured image, which is what we're about to change. From the list, find the collection you want to update and click on its name. That will open the collection details page. Here you can edit the title, description, conditions, and of course, the collection image. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct collection so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a section labeled Image with the current collection image displayed. In that area, click on Edit. This will open up the image editing options specifically for this collection. Now, click on Change Image. Shopify will open your file picker, showing images you've already uploaded to your store's files. If you see the new image you want to use, simply click on it to select it. If you don't see the image yet, click on Add Files to upload a new one from your computer. Choose a clear, high-quality image that represents the collection well. Once the upload completes, click on the new image to select it. When you're happy with your choice, click on Done. This will confirm the new collection image and close the image selection window, bringing you back to the collection page. Finally, don't forget to click on Save at the top or bottom of the page. This step is essential. If you navigate away without saving, your new collection image won't be applied. After saving, your updated collection image will appear on your online store